Hello and welcome to this video where you will learn how to claim a page and how to create an ad account in Meta Business Suite. So step one, go to business.facebook.com, top left menu, drop down menu, click on that and choose your business account that you're going to be doing this in. Click on a settings icon next to that business account. Then you're going to have a page that looks like this. Make sure you find the pages section, click on that, then click add pages, and then click on claim an existing Facebook page. Type in your page that you've recently created, select it, click next, agree to all the terms, and then click claim page, and you're done. Your page will be claimed. Uh, Now, when it gets to an ad account, it's very similar. Go back to the homepage of your business.facebook.com, find this section again, and instead of pages, click Add Accounts. And here, if you don't have an ad account yet, click Create a new ad account, and it's a very similar process. You agree to terms, you click Create Ad Account, you then click Done, and you're done. There you go. Good luck.